Lo Nkosi ngicela ungisize ungangitholeli indoda ezofana noMeli ibe nje yiyoyo kuba ungithuse isikhathi. Ngeke bafethu, ngiyacela ngisingle, ngamane ngihlale ngisingle for the rest of my life. Hawu uMeli, I have never seen such an, I don't know, ibize le handbag, ngibize le yoyo. What? No, thank you. No, thank you very much. Ngiyabonga.
So hard to trust uMeli, guys. Umjolo uyanyisa. I don't blame Somizi. On his first season, he was a player. Right now, he's a good boy. And ugele ukeshile uthandeka. There's no turning back. You can see ukuthi uthandeka uyamthanda kuMeli. Even though Uliyema, she's saying ukuthi uMeli, he's using uthandeka. Guys, uthandeka, she doesn't say that. She says they are in love. Udidi, when it comes to Didi Nkosami, you know when you have a crush to someone, Udidi, she's fighting so hard to see uMeli and Thandeka separate, so that she can be happy and get her Meli. Even on the letter, she said, I can't wait for us to go outside. Maybe we can friends or we can try something else. I was like, Didi, there's so many men out there, baby girl, you're still young, you'll get your Meli. There's no need for you to fight with Thandeka. As for Liyema, guys, she knows the Meli. She doesn't understand. When you know someone, you always drink together, and now they are holding Bible. You're like, I know you were always drinking on Saturday. What's going on with you? Please behave the way we always behave in club. And this person was like, no, not in front of God. I'm not going to do that. Someone like that, UMeli is like that. So people, they don't trust UMeli, guys. They say he's using Utane. We're going to find out very soon, guys. And nothing lasts forever. You still remember Osid Guluva and Ashley, guys. We thought they're going to be together forever. Look what happened. So it's very hard to trust couple on social media. So anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Don't forget to